River, who's 5 years old.
River, are you 5 years old? She says, don't bother me. Oh my gosh, River, look at this. Hawkeye, what do we got here? A couple of delicious pupcakes.
Okay, guys, are you ready for the birthday treat?
Oh, here we go. Oh, a couple good sits.
You can sit down.
Here we go.
Okay, here we are.
What do we got?
Oh, one bite.
River, what you got?
River.
Oh, that's good stuff. Oh, that's the good stuff. Don't forget your icing, Hawkeye.
Oh, I don't think he's going to forget it.
River, was that good? River.
Oh, she's looking for crumbs. Oh, that was good stuff. What do you think?
I think she needs a birthday picture taken.